Good day! In this video, we are going to show you the proof that 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Of course, this is not true. This is a mathematical fallacy, and I would appreciate it if you can find any mistake along the way in my calculation. So without further ado, let's try to prove this equation. So 1 plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to make the assumption of the proof by saying that x equals to 1. So the first thing we're going to do is that we are going to square both sides, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to write down here, square the equation both sides, okay? So by squaring, x become x squared and 1 become 1 squared. So that is perfectly fine, okay? Now, the next step what we're going to do is that we are going to minus 1 squared on both sides of the equation. So on the right hand side, what happened is that it becomes x squared minus 1. On the right hand side, it becomes 0. Okay, because 1 squared minus 1 squared equals to 0. Okay, now I'm going to bring you back to your secondary school. You will learn this formula. It's called difference of 2 squared. X squared minus y squared is the same as x plus y, x minus y. This is called the difference of 2 squared. So that equation is similar to that. Instead of y squared, it becomes 1 squared. So your number, actually x squared minus 1 squared, okay? So that x squared minus 1 squared is equivalent to that equation. So your x remains as x and your y becomes 1. Okay? So it becomes x plus 1, x minus 1, and that is equal to 0. Okay? So now we are getting more interesting now. Okay, the next step what we're going to do, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by divide by x minus 1. Okay, so we are going to do that. So when you divide by x minus 1, that equation becomes x plus 1. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, divide by x minus 1. And on the right hand side, 0 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, and now we are going to simplify that equation. So what we're going to do, because this x minus 1 is the same, we can cancel them out. So on the right hand side, that equation becomes x plus 1 equal to 0, because 0 divided by any number is going to be 0. Okay, and last but not least, we are going to put in the value of x. We remember that in the start of the equation, we have assumed that x equal to 1, so now become 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So x is now substituted by 1, and now we have proof that 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So again, as I said, this is the mathematical fallacy. If you have any problem of my working along any way, please comment it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.